Hello everyone, and I'm Liana, and I'm back with you at the Technique series, the wisdom of technique, right? So today is 5 sharps, 5, right? You see my hand? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So guess what? We're gonna have all this black key to play. So let's practice them and learn them by heart. F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, B sharp, A sharp. Again, F, C, G, B, A. It's like you're playing drums, and that's how you learn actually all the sharps. Right hand, left hand, right hand, left hand, right. F, C, G, B, A. F, C, G, B, A. Go faster. F, C, G, B, A. Right? So guess what? The name of the key that it has 5 sharps is half step higher from the last sharp, so that would be B. And I just told you a new secret how to figure it out which one is it. So if you know this F, C, G, B, A, you will know the scale that will have all these sharps. Or another way to figure it out, it's on the circle of fifth. The 4 sharps key scale that we had, it was the E major. If you go up 5 keys, right, the perfect fifth, you will find the B major. Okay, so let's play it. Right hand, it's really easy because it's exactly the same like all the others. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F, G, A, B. You see how I'm playing it? And it's really easy to play it because it is in your hand. Actually, C major is harder than B major into play. B major, it's exactly into the hand's position as in the same, you know, the curves and how our hand is made. It's very easy. It's one of the easiest for the right hand, not for when we put it both hands together, okay? So again, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Going back. You wanna go one more octave? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, number 1. You can go as many octaves as you want. 4 and 3, and then our little exercise. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and top. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Do that a couple of times. It's gonna be really easy. Now I'm gonna go on the left hand where it hurts a little bit because our pattern here, it will change. We will not start with finger number 5, okay? We will start with finger number 4. So we're having 4, 3, 2, 1. So what's happening? If we want to start with number 5, we're kind of getting stuck, and we will have number 1 on F sharp. And then this is not, it's a no-no. It's a no-no. No-no for playing. 1, 3 here. Not safe as well at all. So that's why we're starting here. We're gonna invert our pattern. So practically 4 is the first, and then we're having the set of 3, 3, 2, 1, and then the set of 4 keys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Going back, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, and then D sharp, C sharp, B, right? So this is the scale, and then F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Going back, I would recommend you to do this turn here because it's a little uncomfortable here. Okay, as a little secret, don't poke and do that or that. You know, try to stay with your wrist a little higher so number 1 can move easily inside of the key. and play smoothly this one, right? So you practice left hand couple of times. If you wanna go to octaves, it's gonna be the same. A, G, F sharp, E, B, C, B. And then 3, and then 4, and then 3, and 4. So you can do again our little exercise. Right? Here it's another transition here. When you go both hands, it's gonna be this transition and then this transition. Okay? So the good news is that this scale, once you know this scale, you actually know the C flat major, right? C flat major that has 7 flats. We're not there, but we will be. And this is called an harmonic scale. So practically right now you're learning 2 scales without even noticing. You're gonna play the same, it's called different. It's just like you have, you know, different names, but you are the same person, right? So this one, it's called, you can call it B major with the sharps, B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B, or you can call it as well, depends of the composer, whatever he wants to do it, and this is, I'm not gonna go into it because it's more theory to learn. It's a C flat major, and when I'm gonna go there, I'm gonna remind you, you know, so it's gonna be C flat, D flat, E flat, F flat, G flat, A flat, B flat, C flat. Is it not? It's like, oh my God, my mind is like blew off, you know. So don't worry about it. You just remember that we are learning actually 2 scales on the same time, right? It's just you're switching your mind from sharps to flat. All right, let's put it together right now. Now that you already practiced separate hands. So let's see what is different. Right hand, as I said, you're playing the same thing. And right now, left hand will turn 4. And then you're gonna go. And then 3 here. Okay. It's not that hard when you go 1 octave. Because it comes very easily into the hand. When you go 2 octaves though, guess what? When you arrive over here, you're gonna be tempted to turn number 4 here because that's what we did. And then obviously it's gonna be 3 here. But left hand, it's not 4, it's gonna be 3 in this spot. And then 4. So when you go up, you definitely need to watch out the left hand. So you're paying attention 80% of the time to the left hand, what fingers you need to use, and just a little tiny bit on the right hand, because right hand is very easy. You don't need to think of the right hand. On the right hand, you only think black key, number 1. Black key, number 1. Black key, number 1. So when you're going up, your attention stays on the left hand. 4 here. Stop. Where do I go? Number 3. And back. Right now you turn attention to the right hand. Why would you turn attention to the right hand? Because the left hand, it has whatever goes, number 1 next. Black key, number 1. The further one, the white key that is further away from the black key. Okay? 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I'm only thinking I finish all the black keys. I'm gonna do number 1, and the 1 is further away on the white keys. When you practice, you will know what I mean. Right now, going down, I'm gonna think of the right hand, because I need to know is number 3 here, and then 4. So again, 3 here, pay attention, and then 4, and 3 again, 3, pause, then 4 like usual, and 3 again, okay? Obviously you can go one more octave if you are adventurous. Alright? So, this would be the B major scale. 5 sharps, we're having 2 more to go, and we finish all the sharps. So thank you so much for joining me in this wisdom technique adventure, and see you to the next one on F sharp major. Yay!